Hello members, today we have this TV. It is from a Fundi. You see what they did here. They removed some resistance, they put wires. So, let me show you how it is. So you can see at first it comes with plain white and it stays on. It blinks this line, so it is a smart wave, but we have used another motherboard not for smart wave so that we can repair it. You can see, so this is the original motherboard for Skywave. It is dead too, so let us see whether it's going to work. After repairing our Skyview, it came back with this kind of image. Let me put it off. Then I put it on. You see, so you can see the word Skywave. So it came back. So now we are going to fight with the motherboard. You see, even the motherboard can work, but for now the screen is back. You can see. So this is how we have done it. Yeah. And then it came back. So let us look at this motherboard. You see.